Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2021 43 variant question number 1, and topic is linear momentum. So what our question is, the mass of 0.4 kilogram P mass, okay? So mass of the P particle is 0.4 kilograms. Best idea in mechanics, read and write. Okay, and then plan the next question. And mass of the Q particle is 0.5. And mass of the Q particle is 0.5 kilogram. If you want to save your time, so don't write kgs, okay? So are free to move on a smooth horizontal plane. So friction is equals to 0. And Q moves directly towards each other. P and Q are moving directly towards each other. So this is a speed of P and this is a speed of Q. Okay, so I think we have to try. And what is method to do? Just have a look here. So I will make copy, paste. Okay, this situation we have. Okay, so okay, there are, according to situation, he said they are moving towards each other. So P and Q. So P is going right hand side, Q is going left hand side. There's a way they can move towards each other. And speed of P is 2.5. So U1 is equals to 2.5. And U2 is equals to negative 1.5. Now you're surprised to know why I'm keeping negative sign. So actually, basic formula what? When we have observers there, okay. And do you know basic criteria? I give this example on the top even. So for example, this is a basic idea. When an object is going away from observer, velocity always positive. And when observer coming back to observer, velocity negative. So this is a basic property. Okay, we have done in chapter of kinematics even, very important. That is why this is coming back to observer. So I kept negative sign. So this idea is very clear. Okay, you can keep negative sign later or here, no issue at all. So this is before collision. Okay, now what is saying further? Okay, same story. I have to make it and okay, after collision. So copy here, paste here. Okay, so what a question is saying, after P collides with a Q, speed of Q is twice the speed of P. So Q speed is twice, Q speed is twice, then P. So if a P I take X, so this becomes 2X. So it means P speed, I take now here, this speed changes now, even direction I will not write even. Okay, and he said find two possible values of speed after collision of P. So it means 100% when P will hit, Q will go right hand side. There's no choice for Q. So this is called V2. Okay, V2 is our target. Okay, sorry, he mentioned that. Yes, exactly. So speed is, I just mentioned that, and V2 is what? Have two choices. One is right side, and another example, I will make it backwards. This is a V1, sorry, V1. Okay, this is one option. Okay, and what is a speed? He said if speed of P is X, so this becomes 2X. So this is situation number 1, and let's go for situation number complete person number 1. So basic formula what we have, you know, M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. This is a law of conservation of momentum. And if I plug in the values, mass is P particle 0.4, Q particle 0.5, 0.4, 0.5. Okay, so mass into velocity, it means very clear. I can write 0.4 into 2.5. 0.5 into negative, so 0.5 into negative 1.5. This time to x, so I can say 0.4 times 2x. 0.5 times 2x, 0.5 times 2x. So if I type this left-hand side whole in calculator, so let me check. So 0.5 times to negative 1.5. In left-hand side, I'm getting here 0.25. Right-hand side, I'm getting here, there's a 1 and 1.4x. Now it will divide and x becomes what? So divided by 1.4, my first answer is coming 0.1785. And I need, and I don't want. So it becomes 0.179 meter per second. So this first condition is over. So I think this point is very, very clear. So this is done. Now I will do the same concept, okay? And I copy here and I paste here. Now, second condition, what is the situation we have? Because he said two options are there, two possible values. So after collision, so you know it very well, two options are there. Q will not come back. Q will go 100% away. But P have two possibilities. One, it will go away. Second, it may go back to observer. When is a very, this is a heavy particle, assume. So, but anyway, it is not a very big particle, but we have two options for P particle. One is going away from observer, one is coming back to observer. So I put a just arrow back. Okay, whole story remains same, only direction will change. All right. Now, because again it is coming back to observer, so I will put not x. I'll put here negative x. All right, so let's try. M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. So what is a M1? So multiply these two values. So this remains same, you know it very well. I'm writing 0.5, 0.4 into 2.5 plus 0.5 into negative 1.5, which I got already 0.25. No need to work out again. And M1 is what? 0.4 times 2 negative x and 0.5 times 2, 2x. So here I'm getting negative 0.4x and plus x, which is becoming 0.6x. And if I divide 0.25 divided by 0.6, so it's giving me x values coming 0.416666. But I don't want, which I don't want bigger than 4, so I will add. So this is my final answer. And I believe the point is very, very clear. So both answers are, I think, understood and concept is clear.